Hello. This is a short video to show the Excel quote extension available for ToolBox. This tool will enable you to convert your exported ToolBox project file into a PDF quote you can send to your customer. We have 4 pages. The first one here is our quote page, where we can select our customers and their details will automatically populate on the quote page. The next page is our customer list, where we get the information for our customers' details. We can sort this in alphabetical order. The materials page is our list of materials that we use in ToolBox, but here we swap the code that includes sheet sizes for what you want your customers to see on the quotation. And the last page here is the page where we paste our calculations from ToolBox. We simply go to our exported ToolBox project and open our calculation file, then copy all of the data excluding the top row. Now paste this information into our calculations page, ensuring we stay inside the colored section. Now in our quote page, if we haven't already, we can select our customer from the drop-down list. Finally, we can save our quote as a PDF and export to send to our customer. Please refer to the ToolBox quote extension setup video for an explanation of how to set your sheet costs, your material markup, hourly rates, etc. Thank you for watching.